So the craziest thing happened to me. One of my videos went viral and got 7 million views. It is my Look at Me transition video, and I did it for fun in one sitting, and you guys asked for a tutorial, so this is me trying to show you how I did it. It might not be the best, because I'm not the best at showing you how I do things, but let's get into it. So first you get your blur filter, and this is the filter I'm using. A lot of people have been asking me how I got the blur effect, and it's this right here on TikTok. So first off, when you start, you pick whatever object you're using to go like this. Make sure you know where your camera is, because it will probably take you a lot of tries, or at least it did for me, to get to perfect that. So make sure you know where that is. And you stop halfway. So you go, look at me, stop halfway. And then you stop. The second clip is where it's clear. You take the filter off. I added lights for the background to add more of an emphasis on the clear vision to make it look better. But you start at the halfway point before you record and put this at the camera so it shows you, and then swipe down so that it blacks the camera out. You looking? The last clip, you just basically black out the camera again and then reveal whatever it is you want to show. So